Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mayank and today we are going to discuss everything about ICPC. We are going to talk about what is ICPC, why should you participate in it, and how can you participate in ICPC. So make sure you watch till the end. Also, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So ICPC, or formerly known as ACM ICPC, stands for International Collegiate Programming Contest. ठीक है, इसे हम ओलंपिक्स ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग कॉन्टेस्ट भी बोलते हैं बिकॉज इट्स द ओल्डेस्ट एंड द लार्जेस्ट प्रोग्रामिंग कॉन्टेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. So it might have given you the idea of the intensity of this programming contest, right? So basically ICPC is a team event. That means you cannot give it alone. Also ICPC has 3 rounds. We will be discussing all the rounds later in this video. Okay, so now comes the question, why should you participate in ICPC? See, ICPC is like an honor badge on your resume. तो कंपनीज उन कैंडिडेट्स को काफ़ी प्रेफर करती हैं who has been an ICPC regionalist. So if you are inclined towards CP और अगर तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट है CP में, then you should definitely give it a try. तो अब बात करते हैं राउंड्स की. So the first round is an online contest. Okay, this is a 3 hours contest which is conducted on CodeChef और इसमें अराउंड 5 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं and you have to give it with your team. So round 2 is regionals. In regionals, you have 5 hours to solve 10 questions and this is an on-site round. So that means that you have to be physically present at the site for your regional round. Okay, India में 4 regional sites हैं, खड़गपुर, ग्वालियर, कोलकाता and अमृतापुरी, and each team can select only 2 regional sites at max. Okay, so for example, your team has selected Gwalior and Kharagpur. So you can either be selected for Gwalior or Kharagpur. You cannot be selected for Amritapuri and Kolkata. Right? Each regional site has a limited number of seats, and for each college there is a certain number of teams that can be selected for each regional site. Okay, so ज़्यादातर 2 या 3 टीम्स ही सिलेक्ट होती हैं फॉर ईच रीजनल साइट, बट ये नंबर राउंड 1 के खत्म होने के बाद आता है. ऑल्सो ओनली टॉप टीम्स फ्रॉम ईच कॉलेज आर सिलेक्टेड फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर रीजनल साइट. Now there is a catch. ICPC tries to include as many colleges as they can. So for example, there are 2 teams, Team A and Team B from different colleges. Team A की rank है 100, overall 100 rank है, but उनके अपने कॉलेज में they are 5th for a particular regional site. ठीक है? And Team B की overall 200 rank है, but they are first in their college for that particular regional site. तो होगा क्या कि टीम बी विल गेट सिलेक्टेड बट टीम ए के चांसेस बहुत कम होंगे क्योंकि वो टॉप पे नहीं है अपने कॉलेज में. ओके, तो अब बात करते हैं राउंड 3 की, विच इज़ वर्ल्ड फाइनल्स. सो टॉप 10 to 12 टीम्स फ्रॉम राउंड 2 विल गेट सिलेक्टेड फॉर राउंड 3 एंड विल रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया इन द फाइनल्स. सो फार इंडिया हैज़ नेवर वन एनी गोल्ड इन द फाइनल्स and the highest rank that has ever been achieved by an Indian team is 18th rank, which was achieved in 2012 by 2 teams, one from IIT Delhi and other from IIT Hyderabad. So now comes the eligibility criteria. It's not complicated and it has some simple points like you should be a student enrolled in a college or university. You must be in a team of 3 in order to participate in the contest. तुम एक रिजर्व मेंबर भी ले जा सकते हो बट इट्स अप टू यू. सो अगर तुम एक रिजर्व मेंबर ले जाना चाहते हो then your team will be in the format of 3+1 where 3 will be your permanent members and the other one will be your reserve member. The third point is you must have a coach and the coach must be your faculty member. Okay, college faculty member, just like your professor. तो तुम किसी भी अपने कॉलेज प्रोफेसर को अप्रोच कर सकते हो to be your coach. Okay, the fourth point is you must not have participated in more than 2 world finals and 5 regional contests before. तो अगर तुम अभी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो तो इस अटेम्प्ट से पहले तुमने 2 से ज़्यादा वर्ल्ड फाइनल्स और 5 से ज़्यादा रीजनल्स में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया होना चाहिए. ओके, सो दैट प्रीटी मच सम्स अप द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया. If you want, you can read more about ICPC on CodeChef. Everything is available on CodeChef, including all the eligibility criteria, everything about registration, all the rounds. Even the first round also happens on CodeChef. Okay, I'll put the link in the description box. Also, you can get previous year questions of ICPC on its official website. I'll also put its link in the description box. So that's it from this video. If you have any doubts, queries or suggestions, feel free to put them in the comment box and I'll be happy to answer them all. Also, please like the video, share it among your friends and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.